Going back to the pad. We're gonna be flying to DJI Neo into some woods with the RCN3. Yeah, all right, let's get to it. It's gonna be a short one. That boy drives a Ridgeline. I drive a Chevy. We get some altitude flying through here. Whoa, yeah. That'll blow off some of these knees. Whoa, look at that. In like Cinnabon mode. Cinnabon mode. Get a little more altitude. That's a tree right in the middle of that shit. I see a little gap. We're gonna turn around and hit that. Gap in that tree. Battery 52%. Going up, turning hard. I cannot see that gap now. Is that a gap? That's a gap. Oh, punch through it. Woohoo! Bring it back through. Whoa, squirrely, squirrely. Squirrely, squirrely right behind me. What's in that thing? Huh. I don't want to fly in the hole. We're just gonna fly right back through here and it'll hit me in the head. We got to those. Go down. Down around. We can get right through these. Woo! That's badass. There we go. Hard turn, there's an object there. That was cool as shit. That's the trees. Hard turn, down. Going through this bitch. Hard turns, up the hill, get up the hill. It was underground right here. .34%. I'm gonna cut through these again. Quick orbit back. We're gonna come back and land. We're at 34%. I am happy with this flight.